Hello, today I'm in Mazda CX-5. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this button. Simply press it.
Ready.
To activate voice assistant. Here we've got the commands list. For example, you can select phone.
Change mode. Bluetooth audio. Ready.
Phone.
Phone. Available options are call, dial, redial, callback, or setup.
Cancel.
Cancel.
That's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.